Hello, good day, guys. What you're going to do today is you're going to do an office layout, a floor plan layout using Microsoft Visual. So, basically, in Microsoft Visual, you can do floor plan layout. It is used also for plotting different devices, network equipments, and just to visualize how devices are installed on a particular building or a particular a floor plan. So basically, you can do that on Microsoft Visual. So for you to be able to do that, just go. Let's start with a template. So since this we are going to work on a floor plan layout. Just select the maps and floor plan. Okay, so you have the floor plan. Kindly select the floor plan here. Okay, so you have the objects. So basically, we have the wall, shelves, and structure. So since we are going to work on an office layout, you can start with click and dragging the object from the object library. So just click this one. Okay, so you can resize. I'm going to zoom in a bit. Okay, so you have the enclosed walls. So if you wanted to add walls, so you can click wall. Then automatically it will snap to the edge. Okay, you can do the same thing here to have another partition. Okay, so for the door, you can always click the door here. We have the single, we have the double hang, this is the double door, double swing door. Okay, you can always resize. Okay, you can change the orientation of the opening of the. Okay, so let's use the single door here. Single swing door. You can always resize. You can always change the door position. Okay, so you have here. So I'll be doing the basic of the floor plan, and most of the objects are here on the template. But if you cannot find that one, you can always go to the shapes library, then look for maps and floor plan and some of the objects library here. Okay, for the window, so this is the window. Okay, so this is the window symbol or the object. Kaya mapapansin nyo, single line lang siya for you to be able to change it to how it looks. So just right click, properties, sorry. Right click, then set display option. Then I think you just have to click the header and seal. Set display option. So move the frame. Okay, so just leave the header and sash check, because usually that's how a window looks like on a floor plan. Okay, so since on my sample I have furnitures, so by default on the template you cannot find furniture. At the same time also you can add stairs. Yan. Pwede kayo mag-add ng stairs here. Going up. Yan, pwede kayo mag-add ng stairs. You can remove the handrail. Sure, hide handrails. Okay. Okay, since on the template wala yung mga furnitures, you can go to the shape library, the maps and floor plans, and I think can go to the building plan, then office furniture. Okay, so you now have your 2-seat sofa. So you can change the color if you want. You have the side chairs. Change the color if you want. Okay, you can resize also. Have office accessories. So sa office accessories, may mga plants, small plants, large plants. Okay, you can use the color, make it green. Okay. You can always select the object library if you wanted to add different objects. So just click. The object library here, then add objects to your layout or design or diagram. Okay, so just work on your laboratory activity. So just save the PSD file and JPEG and upload it in your canvas.